Cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana.
So this video is sponsored. This hair is sponsored by ILikeHairWigs.com, y'all. And this is a box. I want to show y'all everything that comes inside this box. Let's get into it. Slides out like that. Hi, I'm what you've been waiting for. Definitely, because I'm ready to put this wig on my head. Instructions and the wig comes in this box, y'all, just like that. I like how it's wrapped and everything. See a hair cap, a brow. Oh, this is a brow brush and tweezers, y'all. Baby, they're really trying to get you together. This is the wig, and it's a 18-inch. I think it's an 18-inch wig. And I'm trying to get this net off. Y'all can style this wig all kinds of ways. This is how it looks. It's an adjustable strap right there. Actually two elastic band and adjustable strap, and then you have the combs to where you put the wig on. Y'all, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? This is so pretty. So I'm gonna put this on my head, and I typically don't style these wigs. I just put it on and I comb it, brush it out, water it, whatever you want to do with it. I think you can wet this one, so I think I'm gonna wet this one. She is a water wave texture. I think this is a water wave texture. I molded it, so I didn't put any baby hairs or nothing on it. I wanted it molded just like that. I don't want to deal with that. This is giving very much vacation, take on, take off, okay? My part getting wet because it's sliding off. Oh no, this is a bonnet, no side part, and that's it, y'all. So this is me, straight here, okay? With 2 nails left, y'all. So if y'all see these 2 nails on, I cannot get them off. So that is why they are still on, because I literally can't get them off. Some of y'all like to see me do my brows on camera, but I'm about to clean them up and then I'll come back and do them on camera. But yeah, I did my brows off camera as far as clean them up. So y'all will continue to see me do my brows, because most of y'all say, oh, I like it when you do your brows on camera. My 24-hour clear brow gel. This be so redundant, so that's why I don't be it. That's why I don't show it. But like this, but with the 2 nails that I have on. I'm gonna get some shorties because I do have to do a Shein. I don't have to do it, but I want to do a Shein clothing haul. I do got some clothes from Shein, and I'm too thirsty to try it on. But I'm putting my ponytail back in because that ponytail was just bomb. Like, it was bomb. Right now, I'm doing a hair tutorial. So we got to continue with the simple beats. So I went ahead and I took my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to put on my brows. I'm about to wipe it off. I feel like my brows gonna turn out really good, y'all, because the shape of them. So I like this one better. thick. It's the new year, y'all, and I can't wait till my line drops, y'all. The palettes will be done this month along with the concealers. Not concealers, sorry. I don't have concealer. With the bases, I'm sorry. Just connecting that bottom line to the line towards the back. It's as close to my brows as possible. And then I flicker it up towards the bottom of the line. So your brush should look. I'm gonna come back and I'm taking my infamous 252 MAC brush. Get into the brows, y'all. Get into the brows. Y'all see them, period. Moving ahead, we're gonna take our base. I want to take, let's see. I want to take number 4 base first, and then I'm just gonna take the original base. This is the first base that they look. This is the first base that P. Louise ever sent me. And I feel like I'm so motivated. I mean, I'm motivated now too because I feel like as a makeup artist, there is going to be several new upcoming artists, okay? It's going to be upcoming artists. So you, like, makeup, I feel like it just, even though people don't watch it as much, it never gets old because people are going to need tips. Like I said, upcomers are definitely going to need the resource. So the ones who got it. The ones who don't. You have to keep practicing, like, day by day. Like, it's gonna get better, and I feel like you progress each year, okay, when you're doing makeup and when you're passionate about it. If you're not passionate about something, I don't know, it's just be like, okay, I'm just doing it for the moment, but I'm gonna stop. So yeah, we don't want that. And so this is what we're gonna be watching, y'all. The Curse of Humpty Dumpty. It looks so bootleg though, so I don't know. So I applied 2 bases on, and this is how it looks. I love how smooth my bases be looking. Be like, I'm gonna just powder this and just add some shadow on this. It's baby, but I love how this base is looking. I want to go to my Madonna eyeshadow palette. I've used this palette before, y'all, and I will leave her stuff in the description below. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brush. So we're gonna really diffuse this first transition. That's just key right now. First brush, I'm going to my Bedelium Tools 778 brush, Savvy, and we're gonna put this on the outer V parts of our lid.
Recently, I had a look at the cover.
So I'm going to take this Maxi Lux 208 brush and I'm going to just diffuse this first color out. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. I'm gonna go ahead and add the light pink shade. Okay, it's called Diva, and that one is called Unique. So I'm just about to show the products. I'm gonna go through the face part kind of quick, and yeah, keep on watching. So I did most of my face. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take some blush. And the brush that I use for my blush, I want y'all to know, is a Morphe 105. And it looks like this. So I want to take these two. I'm gonna do those colors again. And I think this is from the Eyeshadow line, Beauty Dishes. So I'm about to put this pink on top. So it could be like a nude pink. Adding highlighter only on the nose, and then we're gonna get into this wig. That was Murphy's way. So don't forget to go check out I Like hair wigs in the description right below. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next.